Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here, where I'm your host. Cheers. Nothing like a blast of self-medication. Which, of course, you're not supposed to medicate yourself. It's up to medical professionals to handle such things. Anyway, David Bradley here. I'm your host. I'm just turning the TV on. And I'm going to do a little more testing on this. Oh, this is in the way. This is a small boarded. Oh, it was on. Interesting. A small boarded. Cost reduced version of the Vic-20. Forgot that was on. And oh, dear God, I've lost time. What's going on here? Okay, hang on. Something is not right here. I cannot move. Maybe I discovered something. All right, do we have anything underneath? No. Got everything in there? Yes. Maybe there's something else wrong here. Okay. It looks very bright, the screen today. Very bright. Okay. There we go. But I want to be straight. I want to be straight across. But I'm not straight across. There we go. I want to get that mine. Okay. I like the paddles better when it comes to aiming. Why can't I get straight across? Oh no, it's not going well. Boom. I could have done better than that. Okay, I just want to get straight across. I'm gonna die. Oh. Yeah, that game didn't go well. It did not go well. Why can't I get? I just want to be aiming straight across. Why? There we go. Okay. Shoot the mine. That was probably going to put me on the other side. No, it didn't. Okay. Get straight across. There we go. Straight down. Fire. Get straight across. It's not going straight across. Okay. Boom. This just is not my game. There we go. Okay, it's gonna come across. Gonna come down here. Fire. Oh, I had it. Oh. Looking good in the neighborhood. Here's a mine. Oh, brilliant. See, the whole thing is, shots only come back to you once you've hit something. And if you shoot too soon, they don't come back. missed it. Okay. Gotta get up there. I shot too soon. Ooh, sheesh. 45,950 was certainly better than what I've been doing. Didn't get over. Gotta get over. I just want to be sideways. That's it. Give it to me sideways. Blow them away. Yes. See it coming? Yes. Oh, I'm still alive. Okay. Nope. It's gonna go ballistic. It's gonna go ballistic. Oh yeah. Gotta get back up there. Gotta get back up there. Maybe. Maybe. Woo! Now we're cooking with gas. Yes. No. Squeaked it out. Okay. Just glide down. Fire, 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 fire. Oh, got me. One more. Fire, 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 fire. Ah! Oh, wow. That ended up being almost one of the best games ever, but not quite. That was 98,000. That went well. So, this Vic-20 seems to be doing pretty well, although there's a little anomaly there in some of the colors that were displayed. There. I should, I think, try to find another Vic chip. I think I should. Remember, this is one where all the main chips are not socketed, except now for the Vic chip, because I did that. Let's see how the colors come up now. Didn't even give me a chance. Let's turn this off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn it back on. Omega Race. Yeah, they all look good. They all look good. So, I'm pretty pleased. So I'm going to turn this off. Pull out the power. Pull out the joystick. Pull out the video. And I'm still missing the little cover, but I'm sure, you know what? I think I might have had it. I think I might have tossed it into one of these bins. Aha. Aha. Now, does it really matter? Not really. Not really, but there. It's all complete now. All right. But now, of course, I have to document this. So I've got to find the bits and find the parts and find the pieces and stuff. And this could have been maybe the very yellowed one. I'm not sure. Those are keyboards. Well, what did I have written on this? Oh, nothing. Just needs to go out in the sun. The sooner the better. And I should get outside. So as I look around here, Hmm. That is disturbing. What does this say? No, that's not it. Ugh. I hate losing things. I hate it. I hate it. And now this, of course, because it's not in anything, is potentially vulnerable. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to put it right up here. And ponder. Why is it that things get lost? Why? Why do things get lost here? Although I should have right here, there it is, a Sharpie. And I should have right here a data card. So even though I really can't tape this on, a Vic-20 group of 4. I'll know what that means. Vic was bad. Replaced. Ugh, I hate writing. I get so... I just type so much faster. It's so slow. Remember my typing teacher telling me, at some point, you'll find that typing is so much easier and so much faster. And you know what? It is. But it took the torture of learning. Okay, socket installed. Obviously, this... Oh, I don't need this on right now. This is just going to get into trouble. Go away. There we go. CR board. Most everything not socketed. Yep. So I'll stick this on top of here so I know. And then I will ponder my next move. And I don't know what that will be at the moment. I don't know. Certainly, I have lots to do, lots to go through, lots to test, lots to tinker on. And I suppose I could remove a RAM chip from and put a socket in a RAM chip in a Vic-20 board that I know is working. At least I think it's working. And then start checking RAM. I could. I will see. I shall ponder. This is a strange day. Things got off to a strange start. They did. So, all right. Well, I'll figure out what I'm going to do, and then I'll record some more. Bye for now.